Hi everyone, now I'm going to take you on how to spell 10 letter words that are divided into syllables. Now let's go. Number one is confidence. Let's divide confidence into syllables. This confidence have 3 syllables. Let's spell CONFIDENCE. Confidence. Number two, adventure. Adventure have 3 syllables. 1, 2, 3. Let's spell it. ADVENTURE. Adventure. Number 3, foundation. Foundation have 3 syllables divided into syllables. 3 syllables. FOUNDATION. Foundation. Number 4, government. Government divided into 3 syllables. Let's spell GOVERNMENT. 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 Please, if you're on YouTube, subscribe to my channel, like and comment. If you're on Facebook, follow my page, like and comment. Let's continue. Number 5, alligator. Alligator divided into 4 syllables. Yes, into 4 syllables. ALLIGATOR. 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 Number 6, chimpanzee divided into 3 syllables. Let's go. CHIMPANZEE. 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 Number 7, salamander. Salamander divided into 4 syllables. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. SALAMANDER. 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 Let's spell it again. SALAMANDER. Salamander. Number 8, microscope. Microscope divided into 3 syllables. Let's go. MICROSCOPE. 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 Number 9, playground. Playground just divided into 2 syllables. PLAYGROUND. Playground. The last but not the least, brainstorm divided into 2 syllables. Let's go. BRAINSTORM. Now I'm going to stop here. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you're on YouTube, like and comment. If you're on Facebook, follow my page, like and comment. Bye. See you.